What's good, YouTube? We back with another super upload. You know when you see this logo, you hear the clicking in the background. What's going on? Jordy!
Hey.
What's going on?
Time to upgrade these plastics.
Yes, sir.
There you go. You got the custom ones over there.
Shout out to Star Decor. They hooked us up. We got a new sponsor, new situation. Nothing wrong with the people in UK. They hooked us up for a long time, but we're moving on. Things are getting better. Things are getting faster. With that being said, I told y'all we got a new bike too. 2025 YZ 450F. Yes, sir. We already did some basic upgrades, but we're gonna just chime in on it so y'all can see what's going on. Got the flow. Super sharp pegs, super sharp. Got the carbon
super
cover.
Sharp.
Yes, sir. Got the carbon ignition cover for CMT Compensati, straight from Italy. We got the Cherubies skid plate on there. We also got twin air filter. We got a new one. We're gonna put it on there too. This is the Pro. I think this is the one, Twin Air Pro. I already said. Also got this cool little component from XPR Motorsports. Helps the gas cap breathe a little bit more, so you know, no more squiggly cut lines here. Y'all already know about the well, most people did, so I'm gonna talk, did or saw it, so I'm gonna talk like I didn't. But we got the gut seat cover, corner coacher in it to help with corner and turning. Sorry, I haven't blogged in a while, so wording and everything might be off, but on this side, brake side, same thing, CMT Compensati, brake cover, works connection. We got the oil filter coming in as well. We also got the Luxon motor mounts to help with, you know, making that bike feel a little bit more elusive and electric and alive, baby. Yeah, that's what she looks like now. We're gonna let Jordy do his thing. We're gonna chime in on one thing else. We got these from CMT Compensati too. The fork guards, uppers and lowers. Also, the bike comes with KYB, but we're gonna take it over to Enzo Racing and let them finish dialing it in too as well. Other than that, out with the old and with the new. We'll chat back in with you shortly. Front end already. Dude's doing what he does. Side piece. Let's give him a second. Let's give him a second. What you got right there?
Woo! We got a 215 Collins.
Oh, whoa.
Get a FPL one. It's gonna look.
Shout out to Shane from Old School Plates. He hooked me up. He's one of the sponsors as well with the vented air box and also the vented number plate. We're gonna link his description for below how you can get yours as well. Use my name DJ Rowe, he'll hook you up. But moving on to the build, we're still getting somewhere here. Can't show you too much. Then again, he's just trying to see what he's trying to do. Just give him some time, guys. Out with the old and with the new.
Let me just transfer all these rubber things.
Homie is working. Up that in the video. Yes, we cleaned the filter. I just put that filter in, so we cleaned it. Drying. He blasted air down in there. Make sure ain't nothing in there. We don't even have to change this out. Excuse me, got caught. We don't even have to change this out to the new one, so, you know, we're gonna keep it chill. It's pretty much done now, you know. It is done.
It's a done
And
deal.
looking
Just need that oil change.
good. Oil change, she's ready to rock. And ready to race. He's got to change the fork guards, and that's it. Hey, these E's.
We get working on that.
We're going to finish letting him do his thing, though. Clean beds. New. Old one is. We're still drying the air filter off, so the top air filter, don't worry about that. Front fork guards are on. Looking good. We're gonna get the whole shop put on tomorrow or Sunday at the track, but overall, she is looking good, baby. She is looking everything is on. He's just finishing up the oil change, putting the skid plate on. This baby is ready to go. We'll probably do a little photo shoot at the track either tomorrow or Sunday before she gets super crazy dirty, because obviously the kid is fresh now, but I'm not one of those guys who's gonna let it sit in the house. We're gonna get dirty, baby. That's what they sent it to us for. You know, we got a race this Sunday at Glen Helen. If you're in the area, come out, check your boy out. You know, always and foremost, make sure you hit up my boy Jordy at Tough Motorsports. He'll get you dialed in. Bikes, motorcycles, cars, he tows. He does everything. All you gotta do is ask him.
You name it.
You know, you name it, it's done. Other than that, what you gotta say, little papa?
It's cool.
It's cool? It's cool. You heard it, guys. This is Common Sense Motocross Academy, and we out of here. Get y'all last one little glimpse of the bike, because I know we've been out of off duty, offline, as they would say, for some time, but we getting back into the swing of things, and you know, taking life for what it is. Once again, shout out to everybody who helped put this bike together. Mainly this guy here, Jordy. You know, we get the parts, but he puts it together. He torques it. He makes sure everything goes as planned, so I'm safe out there on the track. Yeah, man. Once again, shout out to my boy Shane over at Old School Plates. The Vented MX, baby. Get you a vented plate, front plate, and a vented air filter. Other than that, I don't want to waste no more of y'all time. We appreciate y'all for sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe, share. The next couple videos, I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to record the race, which I might do because I'll be getting surgery on the 10th. Basically, I'm just getting 5 teeth pulled, nothing crazy. But that does change people and things. So afterwards, you know, we'll see where we are with things, and we'll get back into the scene. But we got a race this Sunday. Appreciate you guys for sticking around. And we out of here.
Peace.